A News 12 exclusive. Private immigration detention centers are in the focus here in New Jersey, and Elizabeth is home to the only private immigration detention center in the state. The contract between Immigration and Customs Enforcement and EDC's operator, CoreCivic, ends next Thursday. News 12's Amanda Lee reports.
This has been an ongoing issue, but now there's more of a sense of urgency because the contract ends on August 31st. Today, I sat down exclusively with Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman, who was joined by 9 other members of the state's congressional delegation and sending a letter to Attorney General Merrick Garland, calling on the Department of Justice to rescind its support for CoreCivic. Could you talk about just your view on the ICE detention center that's here in Elizabeth?
We need to treat the immigrants that are coming to this country or that have been in this country for a long period of time with the same dignity and respect that we'd like to be treated ourselves.
CoreCivic sued the state of New Jersey to overturn a 2021 law which prohibits state and local entities from entering into agreements with private detention facilities like EDC to detain non-citizens.
We do not believe, A, that this has been a safe and secure facility that treats individuals with their human rights and protection, and B, we do not think that this is a way to reform immigration.
Lawmakers and activists who rallied at the Elizabeth Detention Center this past weekend say conditions inside are barbaric following reports of poor sanitation and physical abuse. However, CoreCivic claims those reports are 4 to 6 years old and say the well-being of those entrusted in their care is a priority.
The ways in which people are held in detention, the conditions inside, the types of retaliation and harassment that they receive has not meaningfully changed. So we should not expect that there's any meaningful change at the Elizabeth Detention Center either.
Is there anything else that you want to add or anything else that you want people to know right now?
I want them to know that we're not going to stop fighting for immigration reform, and that I hope that the will of the people is heard before this judge when this final issue is being addressed, when this particular issue is being addressed at the end of August.
Overcrowding, inadequate medical and mental health care were other issues mentioned in the letter from New Jersey delegates. EDC has been in Elizabeth since 2005 and has had their contract renewed 4 times. Advocates for detainees say EDC is currently housing more than 200 detainees, all of which will be relocated if the facility is shut down. Reporting in studio, Amanda Lee, News 12 New Jersey.